I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm taking you along with me doing some home projects in my home. Today we're going to start off at my front door. We're going to paint the back of my front door a beautiful baby blue. I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by taping everything up. I've took some aluminium foil, which I learnt off TikTok, to just add around the handle of my door. So I'm going to do that first of all, and then I'm going to start with an undercoat. So then I'm going to get the paint ready, guys, and I'm using Dulux One Step Prep. It's a primer, a sealer and an undercoat in one. And when you're using this on a stained product, so if you've got a stained skirting board or a stained door like I have, this is the best undercoat ever before you place the colour on top. Now guys, the day I started this project I just had my nails done, so I decided to wear some gloves while I was painting. So once everything was taped up, I then went in with 2 coats of the undercoat.
Think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life, so my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits.
So after the 2 coats had dried, I then went in with Dulux Aqua Enamel. Now guys, you'll notice I haven't got my gloves on here, and I did get paint on my hands, but I do put them back on where they didn't actually get on the nails, thank goodness. But what I did here guys is I actually colour matched a piece of home decor for this specific colour. Now that's what I would recommend. If you have a favourite colour in your home of a piece of home decor, take it into your local paint shop and they will colour match it. And that's what I did here with this gorgeous baby blue. It was actually from a cup in my home, and I absolutely love this colour. Now after giving it 2 coats, I was so happy guys. I really wanted to do this. It took me over 7 years, would you believe, to think about painting the back of my door. But of course we can't just stop there. I had another idea in mind to make this door really pop. Now I had some beautiful chinoiserie peel and stick wallpaper that I got from Etsy last year, and I had some left over from a previous project, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it around the frame of the door.
I don't
I absolutely love how this came. I can't tell you, every time I look at my door now, it always makes me so happy. I love my entryway, and I love that the beautiful blue and the beautiful wallpaper ties in with the theme that I'm going for. So guys, now we're going to start on my second home project. Now here is my kitchen window. I've always wanted to create some shiplap around the outside of the window. So today, that's exactly what we're going to do. Now here in Australia we call this VJ panelling, and we had some left over from previous projects. So my hubby just put a piece up there just to measure and see if I liked it, and then we started to remove the shelving that was there, and then we started on the project. So we realised we didn't have quite enough, so we had to go to Bunnings after all, and these are the sheets of VJ panelling I was talking about. So we got the smaller sheet and we bring it home.
Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look, she's standing in the crowd.
Now after measurements and my husband cutting them to size, I decided that I would paint them first before we place them on the wall. Now what I recommend here guys, because the little grooves here inside the VJ panelling, I took a brush first of all and just went in the grooves, and then I took that roller and did 2 coats in vivid white.
I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by.
So once they were completely dry, I then gave my husband this maxi nails. We used liquid nails on the back here guys, and then we placed it around the window.
Let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside, you know.
Now off camera we used some No More Gaps, and I then went in with a smaller brush and just touched up any of the areas that needed repainting.
Wanna see the light.
And guys, here is it all complete. I absolutely love how it came. It gave such a brighter atmosphere to this little corner of my kitchen. I also off camera guys added these 2 barn lights at the top of the window, and I used the puck method where you have the DIY puck lights that I got from Bunnings, and they're just remote control, and I just love how this little area came. It did actually lack lighting in this area, and by adding the shiplap as well as the lights really just made it so much better.
'Cause I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light. 'Cause I just wanna see the light.
So guys, you'll notice that the lights aren't actually on in this clip. Since making the video, I realised that I'd packed away the remote control when I packed everything up, but I've since found that. So they do work, and I'm really happy with them, and will share them in a new clip. So guys, now we're going to move on to my next DIY project, and it's a really simple and inexpensive one that I think you'll enjoy. So I've been really in love with the Drew Barrymore kitchen collection that she has out, but unfortunately she doesn't stock it here in Australia, and to purchase it from Amazon it would be like $300. I really love her knife set guys, so I drew inspiration from that by taking something really inexpensive from Kmart. I picked up this knife set from Kmart for just $8, guys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some sticky tape first of all, and I'm going to place a rim around the bottom of the block. I'm then going to take some masking tape and cover the top where the knife sits. Now Drew's knife set is gold and white, but I've decided to do mine in that beautiful blue because I have a lot of blue going on in my home and I really love how it ties in with my kitchen. Now, after giving it 2 coats and it was completely dry, it was now time to take off that sticky tape down the bottom. So Drew puts her initial onto the knife block. So I got these dollar store stickers, guys, and I'm going to use the letter G, which is the start of my surname. So guys, my final DIY project is these gorgeous little wooden bows. Now guys, you know I love Facebook Marketplace and I come across these. A lady was selling the pair for just $5 and I knew I had the perfect spot in mind for them. But first of all, we had to give them a little makeover with that beautiful baby blue paint. Aren't they just absolutely adorable? And I had the perfect spot in mind. Now guys, I really loved how unique they were. Now off camera, what I did is I just put some little bit of wire around the back of them and made a little hook, and I stuck them into my topiary trees. So guys, leave me a comment down below. What was your favourite home improvement project? My all-time favourite would have to be my blue wallpaper door. I absolutely love how this came, guys. It makes my heart so happy every time I look at it, and I can't believe it took me over 7 years to even think about painting it, let alone adding the wallpaper as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to tap your notification bells, so I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I hope you're all having a wonderful Mother's Day weekend, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.